No! I wanted to go... I wanted
The
to...
Hatter's domain.
Ooh, first
Almost
person.
as I remember it.
Appearances, as you know better than most,
Oh, God.
can be deceiving, Alice. Much has changed since your last visit.
Dr. Bumby says change is constructive, that different is good.
Different denotes neither bad nor good, but it certainly means not the same. Find the Hatter, Alice. He knows more about different than you.
But does he know more about the difference between bad and good?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Making friends, Alice. You're as randomly lethal and entirely confused as you ever were.
I've managed without you so far, Cat.
Stupid
Return to whatever hovels
flies.
you. I'll call if I need you.
Predictably rash. It's not a question of if, Alice, it's when. Now hold on, and as they say, shut up.
So typical.
As they say. Shut up. Oh, God. Wait, how did that thing keep moving if it was off track? I'm not gonna question.
I've made more graceful entrances. I suppose I must be grateful nothing's broken.
Yep. It's true. Alright, so I have to go back out. Some vents need to be activated by turning the valves. Okay. Lit. Guessing nothing here, so whoop. Whee! Grab you.
Lizzie, remember when a burst of steam blew your dress up around your neck?
Oh, I do have a different
Just
dress
outside
on.
Harrods it was. Fortunate your undergarments had been laundered.
Man, we're this far up in the sky? Holy cow. Like, the island's gone. Alright, let's turn the valve. There we go. Oh. Okay. Whee. Alright, get out of here. No one invited you. You damn numbskull. No! Alright, try to get this again. I think it's double jump. Yeah, there we go. A lot better. Ooh. Alright, I guess I can try. Are we trying to go to there? Then to there, maybe? Yeah, okay. Oh, God. Alright. So we need to go to that one next. Wait till that comes. Oh, gosh. Okay. Then we need that one. I could jump from here to the platform, but I'm not gonna risk it. No, I almost didn't make it. There, now I could just like that. And nope. Get the pig. Oh. Well. No. Why? Oh, okay, good. Wait. Are you kidding me? God dang it. Woo. I'm gonna try to speed run this. Oh. Alright. No, 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 no. Damn it. Alright, now I'm really gonna have to get it because this just pisses me off. Alright, got that. Got that. Yeah, I didn't know where the other one was. Come on, baby! Yeah, we did it! We got the bottle! Heck yeah. Now we can actually continue. There we go. And then up here. Oh, and goblins. Hello, you damn scums. Ow! Ow! Did I already get both of you? Yes, I did. Okay. Oh! How charming. Pull the lever. Okay. What's over here? Just this. Is this a spray? Yep. Well, I almost didn't see this actually. Bum ba bum ba bum bum ba bum bum. What the heck? It's like inverted for a second. My control, my move around stick was like inverted for a second. That was weird. Like, come on, go, run. What was that duck? Weird goose chicken thing? Wasn't there a dude here? I thought there was a goblin. Get out of here. Go get him. Alright. You. Turn this valve. Alright. Just like so. Alright, but before we go that way, there was this. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, come on. Yeah! Damn. Go. Man, you guys are ugly. Is that it? Was that all? Can't go through there. Alright, well, I guess that was it. Guess that was okay. I got some teeth out of that. Good old teethers. Teeth of lace. Right? Okay, gear moves. I got a visitor waiting on me. Thank you. And I'll make it. No! Wait, did I double jump? I'm for sure I double jump too. So I don't know why I can't make those sometimes. Oh my gosh, blame the camera. It's the camera's fault, not me. It's all on the cam. Alright, get me on the gear. Tally-ho! Alright, double jump. Ooh. Is there anything in these? Okay, I can't even go inside of them. Any secret? No? Alright, going down. Bring it on! There we go. Ooh. Thank you very much. At 222, but not 23. Oh, I didn't know it moved! Damn. Alright, it's gonna move again. Wait until that's done moving. Alright, let's go. Blink. Any secrets? Okay. Whoa. Oh my god, it moves so early. I feel like these parts, I don't always fight a boss or something. How open it gets. Alright, come here, numbskull. Woo! Oh, okay, it didn't hurt me. Good. Oh, what? Heck did that? Oh my god. Damn. Oh my god. There we go. Did I get him? Yes. Nice, nice, nice. I thought something was gonna come out of there. Balls or something. Did we fight a boss yet? Or no? I don't think we have. Have we? I don't think so. Oh god. Hello. Dodge! Oh, I thought I dodged in time. I dodged. Damn shield douchers. Oh my gosh, I hate the shield douchers. I dodged! There we go. Thank you. Did I get another rose for that? I'm getting kind of low in health here, buddy. Yeah, this ain't creepy at all. I'm pretty sure his name's Mad Hatter, right? Pretty sure I have that right. Love this sirteen, I hear a pig. Why do I hear a piggy? Did I miss him? No? Guess not. Unless he's over a little bit more farther this way. Oh. Thank you. Okay. Okay. On there. Ah, okay, he must be in the building. Where am I supposed to go? Okay. Pig, basket. Okay. Oh, so this one doesn't move. Or there's a gap. Ah, hello. Oh. There we go. Oh. Basket. Ooh.
My heart is
And a
open,
memory.
Alice. Never closed, never locked. It needs no key.
Bam, bam, bam. Anything, just direction? Nope, okay. Hoo-yah. Woo! Alright. And go. There we go. Wink. Whee. And fire away, Mr. Steam thing. Anything this direction? Death house. I like it. Wait a minute. Oh, there'll be nothing there. Okay, good. There we go. Hello? Said there was death. Yeah. Is this the way I'm supposed to go? I hope not. What's that? Ooh, okay, it's not good. Oh, you douche. No. Oh, look at there. And I got another memory.
Bricks are rocks, Alice. A brick house, like Gibraltar, is impervious to fire, weather, and the indecencies of Barbary macaques,
Secrets.
should the need arise.
Okay. Nothing there, nothing there. Alright. Make sure I don't miss nothing. I probably did miss something. Probably missed something. No, no, no! Oh! Make it, make it, make it, make it. Yeah, yeah. Alright, now, get on this. I think I like this dress better than the other one. I don't know why I said that. It just does. Where's a pig? Pig, pig. Where's the pig? I think it's under me. Yeah. It's weird looking too, I just realized that. The snout looks weird. Yes, I need the bottle. Whoop. Oh no, oh no. There we go. Thank you. Alright, nothing there. More bolts, teeth, rows. So I'm getting 2 more weapons after this. Memories. Oh. Okay. Let's go back. So I don't have enough teeth for upgrade my weapons or anything. So. Oh gosh. Is there broken plates? There we go. Take it, pig! Is this the way I'm going? I think so. Whee! Oh my gosh! Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Whee! I hope this ain't the main way. Is it? No. Okay, it's not.
Alice was often alone, and in theory had learned from her. Her sister, though loving and much loved, was too old to be a playmate.
Too old to be a playmate? Had a sister? Alright. Ports. Just like so. Ooh, this is a big room. I hope that's not blood. secrets that I can see? There is. What was that? Boss time? Or whatever this thing is. iPod. Doucher. Oh no! Crap. Oh no, dodge! Hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him, hit him. Dodge, dodge! Oh my god, I'm not good at that. Man, he does not like that. Oh god, goopy dudes. And another pot. Ow! Is there another one somewhere? 'Cause I hear another one. I'm just gonna do this. This is... Go. Alright, go down with him. Yeah. Oh, there is another one. Ooh. Am I gonna be able to... Can you, like, not shoot stuff at me? Alright, whatever. This way. I guess I'll come fight you in a bit. When I get over there. Turn it. Let's go. Get out of the way. I dodged that. Crap. Ow! Woo! The one I was hitting better be almost dead. Okay, it is almost dead now. No! Get out of here! Woo. Oh, come on, not another one. Holy crap! Keep attacking. Ow. Oh, no, that's the new one. That's the dude I need to be attacking. God damn it. Going in! Oh, somehow got him. Okay, good. So pretty much knock him down and do that, and then here do cheat. Whew. Okay, well we got them two. So that's good. It's good. Anything here? No. Okay. Bum, bum, bum. Cat time.
He's obsessed with time. Find him, or your own time may be short.
Okay. Obsessed with time. Okay, so I guess I'm not supposed to go in the water. Oh, are you kidding me?
Brush yourself off, girl.
No! So I have to get there fast. Go, 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 go. Almost didn't make it. Alright. Then I'm guessing over here. And here. Some steam. Hello? Alice here. Man, place is getting bigger and bigger. Yeah, aren't we like at a giant cuckoo clock? Cuckoo. Oh no! I'll go to here first. Ooh. A 1. 2. A 3. Ooh, I don't know about 4. We made it. There we go. Woo! We did it. Do I have to go? I can just go way to 1. Look at that. Bada bing, bada boom. Baby. So up here. Do this. Do that. Ooh, don't close. Pull the lever. Alright. Blink. And down we go, baby. Let's do it. Woo! I still don't have enough to upgrade, right? At 4 what? 65 the upgrade. Uh-oh. Is that a bomb? I don't know, but I'm gonna leave the episode here. So if you guys like this, please like, subscribe, comment. If you guys want to see Alice Madness Returns. Everybody, have a nice day. Bye-bye.